Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Subaru WRX. As the automotive world looks forward to 2025, the 2024 Subaru WRX has emerged as the best small car for the year, thanks to its exhilarating performance, advanced technology, and distinctive design. Renowned for its rally heritage and sporty dynamics, the latest WRX model continues to captivate enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike with its high-performance credentials and practical features. Thrilling performance and handling. The 2024 Subaru WRX is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional continuously variable transmission (CVT) with paddle shifters, providing drivers with a choice between engaging manual shifting and smooth automatic performance. The WRX's performance is bolstered by its advanced all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability in various driving conditions. The car's sport-tuned suspension and precise steering ensure a dynamic and responsive driving experience, whether navigating tight corners or accelerating on the highway. With its impressive acceleration and handling capabilities, the WRX remains a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Distinctive design and comfortable interior. The 2024 WRX features a bold and aggressive design that reflects its high-performance nature. The exterior is highlighted by a prominent front grille, aggressive hood scoop, and sleek LED headlights. The wide stance and aerodynamic body lines give the WRX a commanding presence on the road, while the rear is accentuated by a sporty diffuser and distinctive taillights. Inside, the WRX offers a driver-focused cabin with supportive sports seats and a well-designed layout. The interior features high-quality materials and a modern aesthetic. The standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music, and communication. Higher trims offer additional features such as an 11.6-inch touchscreen, premium audio, and available Recaro seats for an even sportier feel. Advanced safety and technology. The 2024 Subaru WRX is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard driver assistance technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to enhance safety and driver confidence, making the WRX a practical choice for everyday driving as well as spirited performance. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Subaru WRX has been well received for its combination of performance, style, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and high-value offerings make it a strong contender in the small car market. Available at Subaru dealerships nationwide, the WRX continues to attract enthusiasts and drivers seeking a top-performing, practical, and stylish compact car. Conclusion. The 2024 Subaru WRX stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a thrilling driving experience, distinctive design, and advanced technology. With its exceptional performance, sporty aesthetics, and comprehensive features, the WRX delivers a compelling choice for drivers who seek a top-quality compact car that combines everyday practicality with high-performance excitement.